Model, 64-plate Mercedes Sprinter 310 CDI long wheelbase. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 256672. Engine, 2143 CCOM 65195 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect. Propshaft has excessive play at the U-joint where it bolts on to the rear diff. Propshaft will need replacing. Straightforward sport bolt-on repair job still starts and drives grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for